welcome to this week's show. So this week on Cooking with Candy and Christian, Christian's actually taking a little nap. So I have Miss Lady here, and we are going to be making
pasta con vegetale.
So obviously that's going to be pasta with some vegetables. So what you're going to need to get, the olive oil, onions and garlic for sure. We're going to use red pepper flakes, pink Himalayan salt, regular black pepper, get a bag of frozen green peas, some chopped spinach, and some organic mushrooms. Okay, so get your ingredients, and then get 2 pots. So you're going to have 1 pot, and you're going to also need pasta of your choice. We're using small shells today. We're going to need 2 pots, one to boil your pasta, and then the other to make the vegetable mix. We'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so we have our olive oil, getting ready to saute everything. We're going to dice up probably a half an onion, and then like 5 cloves of garlic, 5 big cloves. And then we're going to slice the mushrooms. Okay, so go ahead and get started on that, and we'll be right back. Okay, so some just quick tips. With the olive oil in the pan, we're just going to add a little bit of earth balance just to make it a little bit richer. And also salt your water that you make the pasta in. So we have everything chopped. Well, actually not everything. We just have what we need is chopped. So we have the onions and the garlic, and then we have the mushrooms sliced. And they're about to get sauteed, so we'll be right back. Okay, so you're going to let the onions and the garlic saute in the pan until they're see-through, so just a few minutes, and then after that, go ahead and add your mushrooms. Welcome back. Okay, so our mushrooms have been added, so now you have the onions, the garlic, and the mushrooms. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add the peas and the spinach and all your seasonings. Also, we did something a little extra. We added just some lemon for some more flavor. So salt, pepper, oregano, and red pepper flake. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so this is it. This is the final product. We've boiled the pasta, just added it to the vegetables. So right now, just taste, make sure that you have enough salt and pepper. We added a little bit more butter just to make it more rich. And then at the end, if you want to top it off with some nutritional yeast and some vegan cheese. All right, we hope you enjoy. Buon appetito!
Alla salute!